Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today ends my Junk Silver trilogy. So, if you saw the first video, it was about my silver quarter pickups. The second one was about my silver war nickels, and this video, to wrap it all up, is about my silver Kennedy half dollars. You can see how great they look. Really nice. So I'm going to show you the dates. I'm going to show you some mint marks, the ones I can recognize at least. And we'll go through a little coin history. We'll shake hands, call it a video. How about that? Let's do it. So the first coin we have is a 1965. Liberty, In God We Trust. And the date, of course. Got a couple 66s. Got a few 67s. Got a gang of 68s. This is a tower of 68s. And then we have a couple 69s. A lot of light here. Now all of the 68s, the whole tower, trust me, I checked, all of the 68s and both of the 69s are D's. So they're from the Denver Mint. I don't know if that's special, but if you know, let me know. Let me know, let me know. Let me know, let me know. Let me know, let me know. Hey, let me know, let me know. All right, so the designs. On the obverse, we have designed by Gilroy Roberts, President Kennedy, of course. And the reverse, let's get a cleaner one. We have what pretty much is the presidential seal. United States of America, half dollar, e pluribus unum. And we have the eagle and the shield with 13 stripes on it. Also clutching the olive branch with the 13 leaves and the 13 arrows in the other. We also have 13 scattered arrows, scattered stars here. So 4 to the right of the eagle's head, and then 9 more right above e pluribus unum. Grand total of 13, if my math is right. And then above the 9 stars, you have the 13 clouds. And the number 13 is very important in American culture and American history. And if you don't know, the number 13 stands for the time or the age when a boy becomes a man and has his bar mitzvah. Now you know. All right, so we also have the 50 stars right around the whole seal, and that represents the 50 states. And yes, I know it's the colonies. Don't light me up in the comments, please. Now, this coin was first issued to the public, I believe, in March of '64. Now, that's a very important date because President Kennedy was assassinated in November of '63. Now, you might think to yourself, that's very fast for a government and a mint that's wrapped in bureaucracy and red tape. And it was fast because the United States Mint got the ball rolling on President Kennedy's coin within minutes of his assassination. They also consulted with the First Lady, Jacqueline Kennedy, to ask her what her opinion was on what coin he should be on, whether it was the quarter, the half dollar, or the dollar. And I believe she said she did not want President Kennedy on the quarter because she did not want to see George Washington replaced on our currency, or at least on the quarter. And so they decided to put President Kennedy on the half dollar. So that's the story of that, how that happened, and why it happened so fast. Also, another reason why it happened so fast is because the designers, Frank Gasparo and Gilroy Roberts, used previous designs and just switched them up just a little bit. That way the dies could be manufactured very quickly, and that means the coins can be struck very quickly. In fact, the coins were struck in January, at least started to be struck in January of '64. So that's just 6 weeks after President Kennedy's assassination. So all that happened very fast, and he replaced Benjamin Franklin on the half dollar. So yeah. After President Kennedy's death, a lot of his proposals and his missions got basically fast-tracked through the government. He had a proposal for the Civil Rights Act of '64 that flew right through Congress. He had a Tax Act of '64 that flew right through Congress. That decreased taxes for regular workers, like citizens, and for corporate taxes. So it was just a across the board tax cut for everybody on every level, and that was pretty big. He also, his mission before he passed was to take us to the moon, and that happened about 6 years later in '69, and we did go to the moon. And I think that was one of the best ways to honor that man. It wasn't just the acts and the things that he wanted to do in legislation, taking us to the moon was a world event. And the fact that it was his mission makes it that much special that we were able to accomplish it for him. Now, this video is running pretty long, and I'm pretty sure I said everything I needed to say. These coins, just in case I forgot, these coins are 40% silver. So they're about $2.20 worth of silver in each of these $half-dollar coins. And that's not ignoring, well, that's ignoring the collectible value. So some people might want a certain date or a certain mint mark. What else? Let's see. And that's pretty much it. Oh, the 1964 one was made with 90% silver. And then between 65 and 70, we had the 40% silver. After that, we got the nickel and clad that we see these days. And that's pretty much it. This is my stack. If you have anything to add, let me know in the comments. If you have a video with better information, let me know in the comments. Let me know the name of it. If you have any advice for me in my junk silver pickups, let me know. And thank you all very much for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Southside Stacker. I'll see you all in the next one.